one.
Hey guys, Leif here from iTech. Today I'm going to show you something about tri-folding a document like this. So this is one I've just printed before, but it's not out of the box, it's not printing and folding it the way I want it. So what I've got here is a 2-page Word document, very simple. I've called page 1 for front page and page 2 for back page. And when I ask to fold this document, it folds like this. So I've got the back page facing outwards and I want the front page facing outwards. So the way we're going to fix this, it's an easy fix. We're going to go into administrator mode. So we're going to go to utility, administrator, type in our password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 twice and hit OK. We're now going to go to the bottom here, copier settings. We're going to go to basic setting, and you can see in the middle of the screen here it says trifold print side, and it currently says inside, which is the factory default. But what I find, what I usually want is outside. So I change it to outside, and I think this applies to most of my customers. I always change this to outside. So change it to outside, OK, and go out of there. And I'm just going to show you now, I've got this document saved in the user box, so I'm going to reprint it to show you the result. So I've got a document in here. Here's my letterfold test. It's a 2-page document. I'm just going to reprint it and we'll see what the result looks like. So remember, I really want so if you're printing a letter, for example, you want it folded and ready to go into an envelope. This is usually how you would want it printed. So anything folded, of course, comes down in the bottom tray. And look at that. That was my previous print, which is back page upside down. And now I've got my front page. So if I create a Word document, a letter, you know that you're going to have it perfectly folded.